Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video we will show you how to wrap a swaddle for your newborn baby. In order to swaddle your newborn baby, first thing you will do, one corner you will fold it, and my wife will help me show you how to do this. We're going to fold it. If your baby is a little bit big, then use a folded. Now you place your newborn baby just like this. First you will fold the right side just like this inside the baby, and then the bottom part you lift it up just like that, and the other side you will wrap around to the other side just like this. Make sure don't make it too tight or your newborn baby will have hard time breathing. Second way you can swaddle your newborn baby, first you wrap one side and you wrap it just like this, go under, and this side, before you do this side, you're gonna bring the bottom end just like this, and then now you will take the other end just like this, and make sure you fold it just like that. There you have it. For new parent, sometimes it's hard to wrap the swaddle. So there's some swaddle you can buy it from Walmart or Walmart or Target. It's already ready made swaddle. All you have to do, put your baby inside the swaddle just like this. Make sure the leg is all the way down. Now you fold it just like this. Make sure this end is on the chest. Now you will fold it. This sticky part will go right onto it just like this. And then the other end you will go like this.